Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Welcome to Pure Property Decor, a combination of elegance and affordability, suitable for all. We offer a wide range of products to make your house a home. Be sure to browse our website. We ship worldwide. All orders above $100 includes free shipping. Our website has a live chat feature with customer service representatives available to help 24/7.
So my people, remember to go over Pure Property Decor, my viewers and subscribers, and order all necessary items for your house, my people. And remember to claim your 15% discount, my people. All you have to do is put in the box to get your discount, hashtag NEWLINK Production, when you making your purchase, my people, or your subscription. And there you will get your discount. Pure Property Decor. Go over there right now. Bless up, my people. Big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers, man. You don't know the thing going on. You don't know, so the one and only attacking boss there, my people, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Because we can't stop attack them, my viewers and subscribers. We have to continue the attack, continue the flames, NEWLINK. So right now, my people, you don't know, see a whole heap of thing go on in Jamaica, a whole heap of thing go on in the Caribbean, my people. See? But me feel like take a trip right now, people, because me really have to take a trip now, my viewers and subscribers. Because with this story that I going to cover now, my people, I have to take a trip and go cover this thing. And I have to go lean out and drop some attack, my people. So viewers and subscribers, right now, people, me going to talk about the incident that took place over in New York, my people. And this incident took place on Sunday, God, my people. You understand? Sunday, that be the much, my viewers and subscribers. Sunday, the 12th of September 2021, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. So, my people, here we are going now. Them say Sunday now, up in the night over in New York, now, people. You have this female, right? Pregnant, you know. 8 months pregnant, my people. So this female stays so, boom now, and I keep her baby shower. You understand, where friends, family, you understand, baby daddy, everybody gather. You know what I mean? Come, you know what I mean? Show them love, show them thing, bring them nice little give. Who want to bring teddy bear for baby? Who want to bring couple nappy or something for the baby? You understand? Who want to bring a crib or a pram, something for the baby? Who want to bring some feed before the baby born? But they decided to bring something for the baby shower for the baby. You know what I mean? So, baby shower done and thing, people, and she have so much gifts, so she have all somebody give them in her hand, people. So, shortly after baby shower finish and thing now, my people, guess who pop up at the house? Oh, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. She have this ex, you know, where this ex is a problem, people. This ex is a man who takes set. You understand? This ex is like a stalker who can't give up on the pumps, people, and who decides, you know, him have to get it back, my viewers and subscribers. So even though she 8 months pregnant, people, and she have a current man who's their baby father now, people, the ex not that make problem. As me tell her, people, she 31 years old, this ex in thing 40 years old, people. So, ex pull up at your house now, apartment now, people, and in an argument now with her current man now, my people. Argument lead where ex even pull out him strap now, people. So the man decided to run, you understand, because him strap pull him, run from up attack, run go down there, so people. She hear what go on now, she start scream, she come down there with even present in her hand, same way, people. You understand? She have 2 other kids, one age 12 and one 5 to 6, my people. Then, when she thinks that stays above me, one go there like she say, stop, what you doing? Stop! People. Young hear a loud explosion, burn up! Gunshot lick! Gunshot bust! When them look, people, she drop a ground on her back. Bloom! When the boy see the thing bust and the thing fly, my people, the boy took off and run off now, my people. When them check them, see blood start run from her head, my viewers and subscribers. Everybody can't get confused, everybody start scream, start bawl. Then comes a boom now, people put her in a vehicle and rush her to the nearest hospital. But sadly, my viewers and subscribers, she never make it. Gone! 8 months preg, people, she gone! So from Sunday now, people, today at the time of recording this video, September the 14th, while doing the recording, you understand? Today is Tuesday, September the 14th, 2021, my people. Up to date! The same thing they on the wrong. Them can't find him, people. They don't know where it is. You understand? Him still on the run. After doing something so wicked, something so cruel, something so vicious to the poor woman, my people. Lot of people know about the boy. Lot of people know about the same thing. I know say I saw the same thing done. Him never want to give up, people. Him just feel like, say, you know what? Him can't get it back. Him just feel like say him can't take it back, my people. And that's how come in a stop make problem, in a stop make trouble. And see the people. Him take out our 3 points. Attack, 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 attack. The way I feel, people, when I read the whole article and based on video when I watch people and see how the family them react to the whole thing, I have said, just sees, Jah knows NEWLINK. And I love my people. This is totally cruelness, wickedness. You understand? So she basically him kill her right in front of her 2 look one them people. Them witness and them see everything what the boy did. And run gone. Gone, you know. So police over there look for you, but they soon wallet people, they soon catch it. But to show you how the thing set up people, how the devil let go. On a daily basis, people, some really vicious and cruel and terrible things that happen, people. Mankind just get wicked and cruel. See? Because this same thing on our people, I'll ride it same way for the woman. See? Basically, mess up her somewhere down the line, people. New man come and new man take it over. New man comes a boom and beat something up and put something there, people. Him jealousy, understand, hate and envy new man. Come there with strap, new man, run for him life, people. You understand? She believes that she could have just come, try squash it, try make it finish, people. But this a sin thing, don't have something up in her heart already, people. Him already planned. See? I now go say him intentionally did want bust her head, people. But of course, in her head, see? Why him squeeze it? Why him squeeze it at her direction, people? The man already running up people and hiding her. She come down there and tell them to stop. See? She come down there and talk to him. But the same thing do a people. Him say the woman has something big, so him decide say him I go take her out. And that's what the same thing did, my people. Crazy world. You see all same thing like them, they when you catch them, when you hold same thing like them, the people, them the same thing they not figure on a prison. Go eat no taxpayer money, even though on a yard with the people. But me know a lot of the states them over there, how them deal with for them thing, my people. Whether the cheer or the ejection, but it going to get something, my people. You understand? It going to get something. Because this same thing when them wallet man. We say the whole people over there in the neighborhood them can't believe, people. Nice girl gone. All because of one crazy stalker ex who decides say him nah give up. Who decides say him want her back, who decides say yo, if him not get it, nobody else can get it, people. And so what do? Take the girl 3 points. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious. What a thing attacking, boss. Wow. My people, big up on yourself. Stay safe. Walk the one on the eye and look out tight, people. Watch out for them. All creases, all corners, look out for them. Because them did them a people. You understand? Them there, you know. You know what I mean? Then we come in a pretty close, then we come and look nice and talk decent, people. But deep inside, people, they are there. They are possessed. So you always have to look out for them. Remember me telling you, look out. Remember to do like, do share, do subscribe, and do comment, my people. You understand? And remember, follow the Attacking Boss on Instagram, my people. You don't know the thing go on Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official, my people. You have to support the whole movement. You cannot just support one thing, you know. You're a part of the attacking family. So you have to be everywhere. You understand? And we want a special big up to the people them who support and contribute to the NEWLINK back to school trade for the youth them and to feed the homeless people them in the street in Jamaica. You understand, people? Big thing I go on for the people in my yard attacking boss, but it wasn't done by me alone. It's that teamwork with my viewers and my subscribers, and we still need help. So anybody want to come on board, remember Friday, September the 17th is the deadline. We just have a few more days to go, my people. Please link up and support the movement. Please, when I do good, and the more blessings you get, remember me tell you that. You understand? You're frightened to see how things start happening and turn around for you by the look of what you give. Do it from your heart. Remember me tell you that. Don't do it because me tell you so you're going to get this and get that. Do it from your heart. Peace out. Fully attack.
Our hope at Pure Property Decor is that you will find a subscription that'll suit your budget. Our first bundle is our contemporary bundle for $269.99. Our second bundle is $199.99, and our third is our minimalist for $99. Join our family and make your house a home.